5 magic words that can overcome any sales objection. When I was in my early 20s, I worked for a sales company that Billy Mays actually used to work for. And I got a chance to meet his sales manager, who's a really brilliant guy. Many times I was faced with an objection like, now is not the right time. And at the time I was arguing with the prospect, trying to convince them essentially that they were wrong. I wasn't listening to their perspective. My sales manager noticed this and told me there is never a situation in which arguing with the customer will lead to a sale. Anytime I would get an objection like, well, I don't have the time, I would simply say, what makes you say that? For instance, one time I was selling a business coaching program and the customer said, I don't have time for that. So I said, what makes you say that? They then explained that they were going on vacation for the next 3 weeks, and since the program was 12 weeks, they didn't want to miss out on 3 weeks that they would essentially waste their money on. So I said, well, if I add 3 weeks to your coaching contract, and if you happen to pop in while you're on vacation, consider that bonus time, would that work for you? And they said, yes, and signed up. So the next time you get an objection like this, simply say, what makes you say that? And then deal with the real objection.
Want more content like this? Then go ahead and follow.